Hello! Today we'll be showing you how to replace the palm rest assembly on a Lenovo N21 Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you might also want to have them handy, as they may be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom cover. Next, you will remove the 10 bottom cover screws. Now, you will use a spudger to carefully pry up the palm rest assembly. Next, you will disconnect the keyboard cable from the motherboard. Now, you will disconnect the touchpad cable from the motherboard. The palm rest assembly is now completely removed. The first step in the installation of your replacement palm rest assembly will be to reconnect the touchpad cable on the bottom of the palm rest assembly to the motherboard. Now, you will reconnect the keyboard cable to the motherboard. Next, you will snap the palm rest assembly back into place. Now, you will replace the 10 bottom cover screws. The final step will be to replace the 4 rubber feet on the bottom cover. You have now successfully replaced the palm rest assembly on your Lenovo Chromebook. Nice job!